Kelumpung ia lakai atletik ia kabla tip kum ke district level inter school athletic mian arjar arpulai kabla penyait deka office district sport officer di Bhoi district kala Sdang no mentakasi kendai truk ia yong arjar arpulai hamadan kur kalang Bhoi rembong hagan ni kasngi lawan bersaki daw additional deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district uba MB Tongper kum kongsan bela penher ia kalama katnak sport kum kedak ban pelipaj ba ia kana kelumpung ia lakai ki kena skol haka jintorengkat UDSP ke Bhoi US Pasling UDSO ke Bhoi district uba Bobinong band kinohi kai lembat kiwe-kiwe. Ba MB Tongper bakran hakani kasngi lo kan tui kena banisi benta hakani kelumpung dagamen semi lakai sport. Kane kelumpung kene lai singilan ter bat lawan banisi benta kum balai pu arteli ke skol na kaleng katem Bhoi bat kejinya lakai ki kentop ika high jump, long jump, discus throw, javelin throw, ka shot put bat kejinya marek 4 meters, drew 4 meters, 4 into 100 meters, bat ka 1500 meters.
May I have your attention, please? This is the first call for the high jump under 18 years of age girls final. This is the first call for the high jump.
Athletic meet in Bhoi starting today. In fact, it's been many years back when such a major event of a district level capacity has been organized here at Kurkalang, Bhoi, and I believe it was in 2012 where the football tournament was conducted here, that is the Megas State League. And after that, we have already been seeing football tournaments happening in this ground. And this time around in 2023, we are so happy that we could bring the district level athletic meet here at Bhoi. First is that because Bhoi has also been one of those areas where many athletes have really shined and come up to represent the district in the state level. And the best thing about this place is that the space is huge, beautiful, and the capacity is incredible.
Trần lại con ít nè vị trí bung rong
event of hexathlon, it will be always
much of the time is spent in your cell phones, in your own households, in enclosed spaces. And this takes a lot of toll, not only on your physical health, but on the mental health. So a lot of stress, a lot of issues come up in today's world. I urge the students here to give your best. Of course, everybody wants to win. Everybody wants to be a winner. But at the same time, you take this opportunity, this platform, to make friendships, to compete, of course, and to develop that bonding, that camaraderie between you. All right, the memories which you make in this particular tournament, these memories will go a long way, and it will help you in your life, and beautiful friendships, beautiful things which are going to happen later in the future course of your life. So I once again wish all of you the very best. Compete, but also remember, as sports person, as athletes, you should have a sense of discipline, the sense of sportsmanship, right? Mutual respect for each other, no matter what.